Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Definitely appreciate every last one of you. So we're gonna take a look at the G4 right now, G4 from LG. Definitely check out Altered Text video. That was actually super dope. But right now I'm just gonna go into the battery performance. Right now I've been using this device since the morning time, and let's just go ahead and check out the battery performance. I'm going to show you a way to actually make it even better than it already has been. You can see 10 hours were used, and estimated time is around 4 hours left with 28%. So you can see right here all the usage. Let's see if we can go into the screen on time. I think that's going to be pretty cool. Let me see usage. Where's the screen on time? Right here. Boom. So you can see right here, it does say that it was an hour and 50 minutes. I know yesterday I used this thing for to watch. I was binge watching Stranger Things. I got this episode 7, and I watched 3 episodes straight. So I was on this thing for like 3.5 hours, and from 100 to 30%, that thing lasted all the way from 100 to 30% within that 3 hours. And I got 3.5 hours, 4 hours screen on time. So that was definitely pretty cool. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this box, because it's definitely one of the coolest features about this device. So I just want to show you why this device actually intrigued me in 2019. And I actually thought this was gonna come when I actually purchased it, with the device. I thought they would come together, but it actually came 2 days later. So that's actually okay. But let's just get this thing open, and I'll show you why I'm so excited right now. So this is one of the hardest boxes to open, but yeah, that's okay. So right here is why we're doing this video, and let's just go open this up. This is a pain in the butt to get open. Where's my knife? Let me just cut this edge right here where the tape is. Okay, perfect. And then let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so now we do have this thing is well protected. Let's actually see what's inside of here, and I'm actually pretty excited. Alright, so here we go, guys. So this thing says 6,500 milliamp hour battery. So let's just open it up, and you can see right here the back is actually they actually made the back a little bit bigger. This thing is actually a third-party seller, so you can see they gave me a new back to put the huge battery in. This thing is heavy as hell. So this thing is 6,500 milliamp hours right here, 25.1 watts or whatever. So this thing might take a hell of a lot longer to charge. But let me just pause the video, and I'm gonna put this thing in. So, well, actually, let me show you guys what this looks like. This is actually important. So let me open this up right here. This thing is gonna turn off immediately. Oh wait, it didn't. Let me take out this battery right here. And let me stick this one in, match it up to this side right here, push that down. Hopefully this thing doesn't explode or anything like that. But oh wow, it fits perfectly. So let's go ahead, put some pressure here and on the top, and that fits actually like a glove right there. So this does look kind of weird now, but let's go ahead and turn this on, and you're getting an extra piece to grip onto, which is kind of cool. So let's wait for this to load up and take a look at what percentage we are on right now, because this is definitely going to be cool. It's going to actually make this phone last a heck of a lot longer. I'm actually going to miss this back leather case, but I'll throw it on whenever I have to recharge and put the 3,000 milliamp hour battery in. So definitely think this is going to be pretty cool. Definitely think this is one of the highlights of this device in 2019. So you can see this thing is at 61% already, and it's not fully charged, but that's okay. But you can see it's working. So let's just go into battery. Let me just see. and it's going to be a completely different battery usage scenario here. So I could just show you guys. And this one actually has a completely different reading. Let me see, battery usage. Oh yeah, so they don't have any. You can see it says usage on battery has been 9 hours and 1 minute. Estimated time left is 8 hours. So that's going to be pretty cool. So it has the same screen on time from when I was using it before, but this is definitely going to increase the enjoyment of this device and make the thing last a heck of a lot longer. So I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy some extended battery use. I'm going to watch some Stranger Things on Netflix real quick and catch up. I might try to finish the season 1 tonight. Well, nah, that's not going to happen. I'll be on this thing all night long, but definitely stay locked in for more videos just like this, and I definitely appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real MVPs. I definitely appreciate every last one of you. Every single like helps the channel. Make sure you guys check out more videos just like this. Stay tuned for more videos on the channel that we will be releasing very soon. But as you can see, this thing is just stellar. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying out this 6,500 milliamp hour battery, which is double plus 500 extra milliamp hours for the LG G4. So if you guys found this helpful in any way possible, please hit that like button. Definitely appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real MVPs. It's your boy Serrano. If you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure to hit the bell and subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace. Catch you guys later.